So I am the kind of person that have many different kind of interests in life that go beyond only technology. And one of those passions is definitely music. So a long while back in 2011, I saw my nephew going wild behind his drum set, bashing his drums, playing the music with passion, and it kind of sparked something in me. So I think you can kind of guess where this is going right now. But yeah, I play the drums myself. While I'm not in a band anymore, I have my own electronic drum kit set in the basement that I play occasionally just to relieve me from stress, just to relax, or go up into the music whenever I feel it. So today I have something special because I am going to bring VR and the passion for playing drums together. Now don't expect things like El Estepario or Eric Moore kind of stuff. Those guys are legends. Those guys are like miles and miles and miles ahead of me. But yeah, I think I can keep a solid pocket and a beat on the drums. I just want to show you this app called Paradiddle, where you can play the drums on your virtual reality headset. Or if you have an electronic kit like I do, you can actually incorporate mixed reality, play the drums as if you're playing some sort of Guitar Hero beat game. And in this video, I am going to show you if this app is any good, if it's actually solid or too gimmicky, and if it actually works and is a lot of fun to play with. First off, let's try out the app just the way it is, and then I'm going to hop behind my electronic kit and test it out that way. We are back in VR. We are going to test out the Paradiddle app right here. So let's open it. And we are greeted with a purplish audio waveform logo. Ooh, all right. Oh, hey, Mr. Kitty. And I'm greeted with a snare drum right here. Okay, I think I have to reposition myself a little bit better. Right there. Oh, I need to sneeze. Is that the cat, the virtual cat that's making me? Oh, damn. Oh, there we go. Hey, hey, that's cool. Let's do a paradiddle. Oh, would you look at that? We got all kinds of parts for the kit that we can add. That's cool. That's cool. Okay, we need a hi-hat, of course. Let's not miss the hi-hat. Let's put that about here. Tom. Let's do the tom about here. Tom right here. Here. Normally your legs go in between the floor tom and the snare. It's over there. So like that. And what do we know? Oh, it's a bongo. First crash right there. Like that. Like that. You cannot miss the cowbell. Let's do the cowbell about here. What do we have more? Oh, we have more snares. I like that one better. This is xylophones and steel. Oh, you got, wow, we also got a steel drum, my man. Yeah, I like this app. I like it. I like it. So many things. This is cool. Oh, there we go. Okay. Ah, so the trigger is the kick. I see. I'm using my feet. Okay, hold on. It's actually hard when you have to click it with your hand instead of, just using your pedal. Trying to get a feel. Ah, let's do a song. The Devil's Horns are like how difficult it is. Let's do this one. Yeah, let's go. Oh, we're gonna suck so bad. Oh. Oh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh, this is such a different approach. Oh. Oh. Oh no. Ah. Oh. Oh my gosh. What? Oh, it's a floor tom. Dude, this is so much harder than I expected. I feel like I'm just starting on the drums again. This is... Oh, you also got multiplayer. Oh, that's cool. That's cool. That's cool. By the way, if you're also a musician or maybe even play the drums or the guitar or another instrument, let me know in the comments below. And here we are, guys. Well, this is my e-kit that I've been using for the past, what is it, 1.5 years or something like that. And it works absolutely fantastically. Hooked onto the laptop because I'm using a VST plugin, which essentially is like a digital drum library that you can hook up to your electronic drum kit in order to hear these sample sounds from the library. So it makes it a lot more realistic sounding. As you can see, I'm behind my kit and I've set everything up like it should be. It's all color-coded. Kick drum, snare, the toms, my ride, my crashes, and my hi-hat. And over here, but I have set up my program in order to listen to my drums through my headphones. It's going to be a little bit difficult with my Quest headset on, but I'm going to try it. It actually doesn't do anything when you just, you know, use your controllers. It doesn't do anything. It's more so to give you the cue when to hit your drums. So that's basically it. And you can hear the song, and through my headphones I can hear my actual drums. Oh my gosh. That makes sense. Why? So, a day after trying out the Paradiddle app, what do I think about it as a drummer? The library and the selection of instruments, from the shells, from the cymbals, being able to select a steel pan or xylophone or whatever you want, flexible placement around you, the mixed reality, but still the tracking and the registering of the hits is still kind of gimmicky for me. I mean, maybe I'm just used to my actual electronic drums, and by no means am I trying to like place this app in the same box as an actual electric drum. I tried out a couple of sticking patterns. Notice it was kind of hard to get those right. If you go a little bit slower, you still can get them. But for the rest, yeah, the app is quite nicely set up. The graphics are nice for a standalone app. Playing the songs, as you have seen, is kind of difficult. I mean, maybe I was a bit too much focused on what was on the screen, like notes that I had to hit. I was a bit too much focused on that, I guess, where I was missing the cue and the actual rhythm of the song itself. If I just have listened to the song, it would have been better. And also, you know, using the kick with your controller was like almost learning the drums all over again. When it comes to the mixed reality capabilities, it was quite easy to set up shells and your symbols wherever you have them in real life, and it will align with the color code that will tell you when it's time to hit them. Are you able to learn to play the drums while using this app? If you're a beginner and you have absolutely no idea how the drums work, you can kind of get a feel by, using your limbs and building some basic limb independency. If you want to further your progress and not rely on just hitting the air, of course, you have to have something in front of you and that registers your hits more accurately. If it's just for fun and just playing some songs occasionally, yeah, sure, it's pretty fun. Still a little bit gimmicky, definitely not something like Beat Saber where everything is just very responsive. But perhaps with the future updates, they will tweak the accuracy, the mechanics, and registering the hits, which will make the playability and using this app a lot more fun. Oh, and by the way, this app is not all, guys. Check out this video right here where I will showcase the Steam Link app directly from your MetaQuest apps library, where you can play any game that you please on your local network, whether that's on your couch or on your bed, wherever it is in your house, wirelessly. Check it out.